They're like brown.
This refrigerator.
My ABF gave their employees a $3 an hour raise for being at work during this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are they still doing stuff?
I guess. Hey.
You're in the dark. Let's see.
That's even better.
Okay. Here.
Hey.
Hi. We're surviving.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna go out and do some errands though, because we are Diet Coke drinkers in the evening, and
Yeah, and they get mixed.
we can only get 2 at a time. I'm trying to get this one ready to go, but you know how they say women take longer than men? Men take longer when...
I am ready to go. I'm waiting on you. I don't
Wait.
want to hear it.
I'm ready. I'm like seriously standing here.
Okay.
Oh, that's a different one.
Yeah.
There's a slug bug.
There's
And
another
then
one.
there's a blue one. See, we do play the slug bug game, but off limits are the ones that we know where they live. Because I mean, seriously, we would
Put
be.
your seatbelt on, so.
Oh yeah, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Somebody has her sassy pants on today.
Really?
Yes. He is extra sassy today. A week pent up in the house, and this is what we get. We get extra sass.
Whatever.
There's a lot of people out like jogging or riding their bikes. That's good. I mean, it's actually not that. I mean, we thought it was going to be really cold, but it's 52. It was a super, super windy day yesterday. I mean, we couldn't even... Can you see the mountains right now? Yesterday, we couldn't even see them. It was just completely brown outside. And I mean, the mountains are literally right there. So, it was rough. Not for us, but, you know, outside. If you were to go outside and stuff, you get a big old mouthful of dirt and stuff like that. But, there's just not a lot going on. I had to cancel my trip. I was supposed to make a trip August the 20th, or April the 20th, and they're already, you know, looking forward to us not going. We're supposed to go to Raleigh. Update. Captain's log. No.
Yes. No, I really don't like Star Trek, but okay.
Well, it's 52 degrees outside, and gas is how much?
$1.89.
$1.89 here. So it's not, they're not giving it away. Let's put it that way. Mailman still working. He's right there. And they still got people like driving, you know, like building big buildings and stuff like that. But for the most part, I mean, it's pretty empty out here. You can hear our bottles back there. There's no hiding that when it starts jiggling. Anyway, it's kind of slim pickings as far as what we're doing. We decided we're going to try to get out every day and walk to the mailbox. How pathetic is that? We did finally meet a neighbor. I mean, we've lived in our house for how long? 6 months? And we just now, like, met a legitimate neighbor where it wasn't like, oh, hi, you know, waving across the street or anything. So, I mean, it's kind of sad because we live in a cul-de-sac and we just now met one neighbor, and then we met another one down the street that's like super friendly, but otherwise everybody's holed up, which now, I mean, it makes sense that they should be because we're supposed to be, you know, sticking to ourselves and stuff like that. But because we got out and we were walking to the mailbox, we got a chance to say hi to a neighbor for the second time. So, I mean, that was progress, I guess, in the making friends in our neighborhood department, because we don't know anybody in our neighborhood, which is, if you saw how close our houses are, I mean, they're nothing like where we came from before, where there was an acre, you know, everybody was on an acre plus of land. So we had plenty of room to make excuses for not knowing our neighbors. But now, no, there's really no excuse. I'm on a rant right now. What do you have to say about it?
Keep it going, hon. Keep the rant going.
Keep the rant going. All right. Well, anyway, by the way, we have a toll road out here that's been on zero for at least 6 months. Are they ever going to turn the toll on?
Hopefully not.
Okay. Well, that's it for the Borderlands. I want to tell you, Top Golf. There's 3 cars outside of Top Golf. Now's when we should go, because right, aren't you like separated in the little cubicles? I've never been, and I'd like to go sometime, but I'm pretty sure you just kind of hang out in your own little cubicle thing. And if there's just 2 of us, you think it's open? No. He's inside. The gas station's not essential, I don't think. But to him, essential. You never know, we might win the lottery. Wouldn't that be nice? This is the refrigerator in the garage. Okay, for dinner or for an appetizer tonight, I'm going to make caprese salad. I've got some tomatoes that I need to use up before they go bad, so I'm going to cut those up. I've got an English cucumber. I just cut that up. I'm going to leave the skin on just because it's better for us. And then for the mozzarella cheese, I'm going to use this, believe it or not. I'm going to cut this up. Actually, I have a couple of them I'm going to cut up. Might use one more. And then I'm going to top it with this balsamic vinaigrette glaze, which is delicious. So let me show you how I do that. I'm not cutting it up with these, but kind of funny that they're there. So let me get this all set up. Look who's helping. How does it feel to help?
And all I know is everyone says I don't do nothing. You know, let this be proof. I just opened 2 cheese sticks up. And fill this water jug.
Thank you, love. I make him appetizers and dinner, and he makes me drinks. This is how come it works.
I'm like a bartender.
He's my driver and my bartender. Is that terrible? Puppy, are you done? I can't get over this dog. This is what's going on over here. A whole lot of this. It's a good thing we have 2 couches.
Chilling like a villain.
Yeah, we're watching TV.
Killer couples.
Killer. I already told you, we are a killer couple.
Just like us. Killer couple, baby.
Look, check this out. I'm not even kidding. Look how big that is. I've never seen a banana that long. I've seen little ones, but I've never seen these big giant ones. You know what I mean? This is the banana eater right here. Green chili. Oh.
Alright, I don't know where all this stuff goes though. Just because I unloaded this, man, I know where it goes.
Well, unloading the dishwasher definitely is good. Earning points. That's why he got that t-shirt he's wearing. That's how he earned it. It's a box that has
It's like kettle corn, but it's a popular brand of kettle corn that has.
There's like prizes in the bottom of the box.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
It's a brand of shoe you wear.
It's not Nike.
Nike,
brand of shoe you wear.
what the hell is it?
Oh my god, gym shoes.
It's like a bean you have to
It's
have.
not old, but it's...
New Balance.
Oh my god.
Yeah, shoe I wear, sorry.
It's
a triangular potato chip.
It's cheesy.
It's orange and it's
Nacho
potato chip.
cheese.
Come on. It's in a bag. It's red and orange bag.
They have Cool Ranch.
Yeah.
Burritos.
Yeah. It's not Walgreens, but where we get our prescriptions filled.
CVS?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's goodbye, and we have two of these, River and
I don't know if you're gonna get this. It's
Monkey
a cat
and
with a bow on it.
Kevin.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty. It's a girl's thing.
And hello.
I was
This is
like,
what happens when
yeah.
you drink. You try playing this game. Hello Kitty. No,
Okay.
here we go, people. Let's get this down. See who gives the clues.
It's a really it's like,
Electronics store that's closed out. Most of them.
yeah. It was in
You listen to music on a
Box.
Love
Hurts.
no. What's in the what's in the car? Do you listen to music on?
A radio. Radio Shack.
There you go.
Ooh.
The first original internet service.
I don't know.
It's not there no more. You got to dial up.
AOL.
There you go. America Online. Yes.
What? That's
It's a brand of
like a
it's
Jeep, but it's
an
in a different
expensive truck.
they look like a tank.
Range Rover. Oh, Hummer.
There you go. First computers that came out. 3 initials.
IBM?
Yes. If you're from
It's
England,
American Airlines.
British, it's
American Airlines.
British Airlines.
there you go.
Airways.
Airways, yeah. The gelatin,
like
gelatin that you eat.
Jell-O?
There you
Yeah.
go. Name of shoe.
Nike.
It's Reebok.
Reebok.
Here we go.
Oh, it's a
not Krispy Kreme, but
Dunkin' Donuts.
There you go.
It's a place where you can go.
Mexican
you get
food
burritos,
restaurant.
bean burritos.
Mexican food restaurant.
And
Chipotle?
Crispy
No.
cinnamon.
Make a run for
Crisp.
the
Del Taco.
no,
Oh, heavens.
the more famous one.
Taco Bell.
There
Yep.
you go.
It's
Coffee
a
place.
coffee place that we all
Starbucks.
like.
Yes.
Yep. It's a
HBO.
video
Some
place.
it's another movie channel.
Stars?
No, it's a place we used
Cinemax?
to rent videos from a
Blockbuster.
long time ago.
No.
Close, but you're not gonna get it.
Redbox?
No, you just skip.
It's not giving us something. It's just
Yeah,
just
do it
pass.
again.
Oh, there it is.
Oh wait.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It's a brand
you
of
eat
seed.
it's like flakes and it's
They put famous
they're
athletes
kinda
on the
good
box
for
of the
you.
cover.
Wheaties.
There you go.
It's
It's
a
a
brand
marker.
of marker. It's
A magic
black.
marker?
The other
No,
one.
it's black.
If
Usually
it's
the
not
Sharpie.
dull, there you go.
Good morning, everybody. It's 6 a.m. The dogs got up early, and so I just got up to let them out, and I thought I'd come outside and drink my coffee and listen to the birds. But I wanted to say something. This morning we woke up to the news, listening to the news, of course, and well, not of course, but it's on. And they say it's going to be 30 more days of us being, kind of confined to ourselves and, not being able to, carry on as we used to do, you know, with businesses and work and that kind of thing. And I just wanted to tell you that, you know, Jerry and I are, you know, we're praying for everybody out there that that are having a really hard time with this, either having a hard time with being in seclusion by themselves, or you know, people that are really affected by, you know, not being able to work and you know, lack of income. And I really pray for you all, and I definitely yeah, I really feel for everybody out there that's going through a really tough time. And anyway, I just thought I would let you know that, you know, we're here trying to make the best of our time here, but my daughter's here with us. And so, I mean, there are days where, you know, we kind of are in our own little pods all day long, where I'm in my office and Jerry's, you know, doing his thing, and my daughter's up in her room. And then we have days like, you know, yesterday, where we spend a lot of time together. And so, you know, we're really not quite having too hard of a time yet with it, as far as we are concerned, you know, because we're able to kind of separate as we need to, and then come together when we're, I don't know, feeling like we can. So anyway, sorry about this, you know, super early morning, but the birds are all out and up, and it's a pretty calm day. It's a little, I mean, I'm wearing short sleeves, so it's not like that chilly. But anyway, it's pretty outside. Spring is definitely here. The trees are blooming, and yeah, it's really nice. We've got palm trees back here, like look here. See?